How to fix VAC authentication errors in CSGO. If you just received the above message from Steam VAC, aka Valve anti-cheat system while tried playing the CSGO game, try the following tips. 1. Restart your computer. 2. Verify the integrity of your CSGO game files through the Steam client. 3. Repair the Steam service. For Windows players, run the following command as admin. Note, exit Steam first. C:\program whitespace files whitespace left parenthesis x86 right parenthesis \steam bin /steam service.exe /repair 4. Restore boot setting. To default. To do so, run the following command as admin. /delete value nointegrity checks /delete value load options /debug off /delete value nx restart your computer later. 5. Repair system files. To do so, run the following command as admin. sfc/scan06. Send Valve an email at csgoteamfeedback@valvesoftware.com for more help.